The National Testing Agency (NTA) has decided to cancel the grace marks given to the 1,563 NEET-UG 2024 candidates and offer them a retest on June 23. This decision was communicated to the Supreme Court by the Centre, which assured that the result would be declared before June 30. The court has recorded the NTA's statement and confirmed that the counselling process for MBBS, BDS and other courses will begin on July 6 without any delays. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan confirmed that there is no evidence of a paper leak in the NEET-UG exam. The Supreme Court also stated it would not halt the counselling process, assured that the government is committed to the conducting transparent exams and will investigate the matter as per the Supreme Court orders. The decision comes amid allegations of malpractices during the May 5 exam, including claims of paper leaks.
नीट के संबंध में पिछले दिनों में नीट में आपकी जानकारी के लिए बताऊं 24 लाख स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर करते हैं। अभी जो मसला जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने आज भी चल रहा है, सरकार ने अपना पक्ष रखा है, उसमें ये लगभग 1550 स्टूडेंट की है और ग्रेटर क्वेश्चंस कुछ उठाए गए हैं। सरकार उसकी सामना करने के लिए, उसको संतुष्टि के साथ बच्चों को उत्तर देने के लिए बहुत प्रामाणिकता के साथ खड़ा है। स्पेसिफिक घटना जो आए हैं उसको सरकार गंभीरता से लिया है। एकेडमिशियंस की कमेटी बनी है, उन्होंने कुछ रिकमेंडेशन किया है, उस हिसाब से सरकार आज कोर्ट के सामने इस पक्ष को रखेगा और बाकी जो नीट को सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश से ही कुछ साल पहले से एनटीए की गठन हुई है। पिछले दिनों में आज एनटीए लगभग 3 बड़े एग्जामिनेशन कराते सक्सेसफुली कराते, नीट, जेई और सीयूईटी। इतने बड़े देश में जब 13 लैंग्वेज में एग्जामिनेशन होगा, विश्व की कई देशों में एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होगी, कई प्रकार के स्टूडेंट्स उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। जो घटना हमारे सामने आई, निश्चित रूप में दोषियों को दंड दिया जाएगा, लेकिन मैं विद्यार्थियों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करना चाहूंगा, भारत सरकार और उसकी इंस्ट्रूमेंट एनटीए कमिटेड है बच्चों को ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीका से अपने संतुष्टि से न्याय देने के लिए। इस बार 24 लाख बच्चे सक्सेसफुली एग्जामिनेशन में दिए हैं।
These allegations have led to a demand for a probe by various opposition leaders, including Aam Aadmi Party and Congress leaders Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and KC Venugopal. Priyanka Gandhi emphasized the impact of these irregularities on the lives of a student and their families.
See, first of all, it is very unfortunate that this scam has taken place, and it is nothing new. With the BJP government at the center, there is manipulation of the markets, manipulation of the elections, now manipulations with the future of the kids. And the National Testing Agency has shown how incompetent it is and how manipulative it can be. With how can you have 67 students getting the first rank and also from one particular institute, and how can you in the NEET exam get 719 or 718 marks? And what makes it more suspicious is that the results were announced 10 days before the schedule during the elections. See, it is a very serious issue where you are manipulating and literally manipulating the future of the students who are an asset to the country and the effort they have put in. And this requires a thorough investigation, and the guilty should be brought to book. And I hope where in the past where BJP governments have shielded the guilty, this time that will not be the case. And this is the question of the future of the country, the students who've studied and worked so hard, and the parents and the mental agony what they are going to be going through. It is literally playing with the future of the nation, and I hope proper corrective measures and will be taken and the guilty will be brought to book.